Chris from Everest, and today I'm going to be telling you 10 things you can do at the
Ritz Carlton
Ritz
Kapalua
Carlton Kapalua
in Maui.
Hotel in Maui. Yeah. So number one, you should go to the beach, and here's a tip about that. You should also bring sand toys like these.
Yeah. If you don't bring them, can you get them there? You can buy some. Where did we buy ours?
At a store.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tip number 2. There's a basket in 2 and 3. There's a basketball and tennis court right near. And here's some tips. Remember how to serve a ball if you're just a beginner. Just do this. If you're serving one person, you're just a beginner.
Okay, and what's the fourth tip is how do you get those things if you're staying there?
Oh, you can rent them, which we're actually renting.
Borrow them. Where do you borrow them?
Near the pool.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And also the basketball, and also the basketball. And also when you're playing basketball, it's good if you're tall.
Okay.
So you can.
Fifth tip.
No, fourth.
The fourth tip was to rent them at the pool.
Oh yeah. So a tip about the fourth thing that you should do when you're there. When you're doing that, you should probably go to the pool before you're doing that.
Ooh, tip 5 is go to the pool.
5 is go to the pool. And also the tip about that is you should always be with a buddy. And a bonus tip, so you should probably go for one of these things. You should go on a thing where it's for example, hunting for turtles. And
so the ambassadors program that they have here, the Jean Pistol.
Wait, Mom, what's the one that we're doing today?
It's about using ocean debris into art, right?
Yeah.
So they have kids programs here that are cool.
Yeah, and also armor. Sorry guys. Well, I did this because my brother was gonna interrupt the video. So anyway,
is it a pretty awesome place to stay? Do you recommend it?
Yes, I recommend that place.
The Ritz Carlton Kapalua?
So anyway, bye. Like, subscribe, and please don't dislike.